Okay, so today we want to do unboxing of two main things you're gonna need for web blogging. I don't know about it, I just read in the websites, but this is light and this is a microphone for Hero9 GoPro. Unbox it, girl. Do it! Do it, do it, do it!
It's barely fruit, I don't know how to...
Cut the box. So, we should we should be showing things.
Here you go first.
I'm just kidding. So, looks tiny, but I've heard it's a good product. We will see. Oh, I got a lid too. Okay.
How
Look
would
at
this
that.
work?
Okay, so apparently there's a case.
Oh,
it
this
will
goes up.
just go around
This is the case that goes around the GoPro. How would you lock it in?
Girl.
Don't do it.
How would they know? I know as much as you do, so.
I'm not gonna do it, girl. Just think about it.
I got this one. Like it's a hook you put underneath.
Oh, this goes here.
No, dumbass.
No?
This covers the microphone.
Which is... there?
Something like that. Instructions, please.
Could be.
Here.
I think it's like this, so.
Oh, it looks cute. Looks like a pro.
Is that...
It's recording. Okay. So what happened was it's just... Yeah, I think we should check that in setting, but as long as that shit is blinking, we're on the camera.
Anyways.
So, okay, this is how they look. You heard our voice, you saw our pictures. We're gonna put them on it and try it with that. So you can see the change. Like before and after kind of thing. Okay, bye for now. Is the thing going up and down?
Yeah.
Hello! Is it going?
Yeah. Yeah, the lighting's good.
Light is good, right? I hope you guys liked the video. Me and Yasi made the video 2 days ago, and it's just basically about the accessory I got for the Hero9, like the GoPro camera, to do the vlogging and see if that could be a good accessory that I can use for the daily basis. Still, it's in the process of testing, but I hope I can get results so I can work on the other stuff that I want to and share them with you guys. There are a lot of things that I want to cover, and yeah, good luck to me and good luck to you guys, and stay safe.